numbers on the glass.
These are really fun.
I like the colored hoist light.
Switch to D?
Yeah.
Oh, I think.
What?
I don't know, there's something up there that we passed.
In the wall?
Oh, nice. Here.
It's RT style call station. Oh yeah, I saw what you're talking about.
What? Here, I'm gonna go to
A. Yeah, A.
downtown Palo.
Interesting hoist weight. Yep, the sheaves are right there. Oh, whoa. There's the machine for this car.
I knew it. I saw it on the other one.
That's pretty neat.
That's weird. It's on this one, all the floors. Well, you want me to set it up?
Yeah.
To one?
Yeah. It's pretty neat.
It's in a weird spot. The blue doors, and then if you come over here. It's hard to see because it's so bright, but these have different colors on each floor.
Those are cool. Oh yeah.